Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to cook stewed turkey wings. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. Here I have some turkey wings which I'm going to be using, and these ones came with the shoulder. I will go ahead to separate those by myself. And to do that, I will use a knife, follow the joint and then cut it from there. And this is very easy to do. Once you can locate the joint, you're good to go. I will repeat the process until I am done. Here I have everything nicely cut. Next, I'm going to be using some bell peppers, onions, habanero peppers. I'm using different colors of peppers. You can use just one color. And here I have some herbs which I'll be using for marinades. If you don't have the fresh ones, you can use the dry ones as well. And I'll be using this season here. Feel free to use any season of your choice. Here I have oil and tomato paste. I will start by blending the marinades, and I'm going to be roughly blending that. And you can also slice them as well. And that is done. Here I have the turkey nicely cleaned. I will season with half a tablespoon of curry powder, half a tablespoon of thyme, half a tablespoon of seasoned powder, and salt. Add salt to your taste. I will add the blended marinades and stir. So for this turkey, I'm going to be leaving it to marinate for some hours. I'll put it in the refrigerator. You can leave it overnight. You can go ahead to cook it right away. It's totally up to you. Here I have the peppers, onions nicely cleaned. I'm going to be roughly blending those and I will be right back. And that is done. So the turkey has been marinating, and now I'm going to add in the fresh rosemary, and I'll be steam cooking this turkey without adding water to it. So here is the turkey. It's been steam cooking now for about 25 minutes, and I'll go ahead to stir. So when you're steam cooking meat, you need to do it on a low heat because you did not add water to it. If not, it's just going to get burnt. And you have to keep checking it from time to time. And this turkey is ready. Here I have a baking rack which I'm going to be transferring the cooked turkey in there. I'm going to be grilling this turkey in the oven. So turkey has a lot of fat. I just like to grill mine. You can also fry if you prefer. It's totally up to you. I'll be grilling the turkey at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And when it's halfway in the oven, I'm going to flip it to the other side. Next, in a pot, I will add some oil. And once the oil is hot, I will add curry powder. And I will add thyme. And I'm going to fry this for about 20 to 30 seconds. And this is just going to elevate the flavor of the spices. And then add the blended onions and pepper. Add tomato paste. And stir. Next, I'll add seasoned powder. and salt. And I will loosen it up with some of the stock I got from the turkey. And then I'll stir. And I'm going to leave this sauce to fry for about 15 minutes on medium heat. So next, the turkey is ready and is out of the oven. And the sauce is been frying now for some time. I'm going to check, and at this point this sauce is ready. You can see the oil is staying on top even though we didn't use a lot of oil. And I'll be scooping out some of the sauce to use later. So it's best to take out some of the sauce and then you can add it back if you need to. And then add the turkey wings. I'm going to do it in 2 batches. I'll do the wings first and then do the shoulder next. And then stir. So I'll be leaving the turkey wings inside the sauce for about 5 minutes. Here I have some bell peppers and onions nicely sliced for garnishing. And I will add some of the peppers and onions and stir. So once that is done, I'll take out the turkey wings from the sauce. And I will add the shoulder in the pot. And I will add some of the sauce which I took out earlier on. I will stir and leave it in the sauce for about 5 minutes. And I will finish it up with the sliced pepper and onions. And it's ready. And this tasted so delicious. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.